Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers, and if you are new here, welcome guys, welcome my family. So guys, today we're gonna make some stew chicken with bulgur. So straight bulgur like we used to make it at school, and I used to help them in the canteen at school. So guys, I'm gonna put my chicken out of my bag, out of the case. I'm gonna put on my gloves first. That's right now. Okay guys, so my chicken is out of the plastic. I'm gonna wash it with some lemon juice. I'm gonna shower it with some lemon juice and some vinegar. So now I'm going to go in the sink and I'm going to wash it nicely, and I'm going to be right back. So stay tuned guys. So okay guys, I finished washing my chicken and I cut them up. So I'm going to do my dry seasoning now guys. A dash of every little thing. So I'm going to put some seasoning to the bone. I still don't find a container for this yet. A little garlic plus. And this is paprika. A little paprika. This is brown stew. A little smoked paprika. Seasoned salt, just a little dash of that. And ginger powder. And onion powder. This is all my dry ingredients. I'm gonna add some soy sauce, some mushroom. My fingers not in this stuff this morning. Maybe a tablespoon, and that's it. So I'm gonna put on my gloves and I'm gonna rub in this and put it aside for a minute while I cut my onion and scallion after guys. So I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna get my wet ingredients. So okay guys, I'm gonna cut up my wet ingredients. I have a piece of red pepper over here, yellow and orange, and I have 2 head of garlic, 2 onion and some green onion. So I'm gonna start cutting up there. Cut my green onion now. All my wet ingredients is in this now, guys, and only the thyme. I'm gonna wash my thyme now. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my wet ingredients to my chicken. I have 1 carrot over here, 1 Irish, and my rest of season and my thyme. So I'm gonna add everything. Stir it up together. I think I need some more soy sauce inside. I don't have browning, so I'm using soy sauce. Gloves and massaging the things. It's looking nice. The aroma is smelling very good. So I'm gonna set this aside until my pot is hot, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just put a piece of coconut oil in the pot, so it's melting right now. So as soon as it's finished melting, I'm gonna add my meat to the pot. Just stay tuned, guys. So this is my calabash. I'm gonna wash my bulgur. And this is the type of bulgur I buy, guys. Very good. So okay guys, my pot is hot now, so I'm gonna add my chicken. Oops, over here. Get our gloves on to do dip by dip. So I'm gonna add it little by little. remember guys, this is stew chicken, not brown stew. This is stew chicken. So I'm gonna cover this for a little bit and let it make its own water, and I'll be right back then. So okay guys, I finished washing my bulgur, so I'm gonna add it to my pot now. I have 2 cups of water in this. I'm gonna add a little butter to it. And sometimes when I have leftover coconut milk, I always cook it with it. But today I didn't have any, so I'm just cooking it right there. So I'm gonna add butter. I'm using the same knife I used to cut the coconut oil, guys. Okay, so that's okay. I have a teaspoon of butter. I didn't add any salt, guys. If you want salt, you can put salt, but I'm not adding any salt, okay? So stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, I'm gonna add a little seasoned rice to it. That's my seasoning for the rice. I'm not adding no salt. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. So guys, as you can see, my chicken is pushing out its own water, so I don't have to add any water to it. So it's coming on, guys. So my lunch will soon be ready. Soon get there, guys. So stay tuned and keep watching. And remember to tell me where you're watching from, guys, so I can give you a shout out in the next video. Okay guys, my stew chicken is coming on very good. Very nicely. See, it's bringing its own water, so I don't have to put any water inside. You'll have to let it stay there and cook. And you cook on low heat and it's good for you guys. So stay tuned and keep watching. So okay guys, as you can see, my stew chicken is coming on. I stir it up because I don't want it to stick in the bottom. Make sure you just do like this, just to make sure the bottom is free from sticking. 20 minutes, I think it will be ready. A bit more than 20 minutes now, so it will be ready. And my bulgur is over here cooking also. I don't think I'm opening back the pot until it's cooked, because I love to let it steam itself. So I'm going to cover it back and I see you when it's finished. Okay guys, I have some tomato. I don't want them to spoil, so I'm using them up. I just slip them in two. I'm going to add some meat gravy. And that's from Jamaica too. You can get that at the West Indian store here. I'm gonna add a little bit more of my sauce, soy sauce, this mushroom one. I need to give it a little bit more color. Then stir again. Make sure it's not sticky. And this last go around really make the food taste so nice, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna let it keep simmering down for the next 15 minutes. And I will show you the finished product as soon as I'm finished. So stay tuned and keep watching. So okay guys, so my bulgur is finished cooking. I'm gonna share a plate right now, guys. I'm gonna show you the finished product. My stewed chicken is finished too. So I'm gonna share a plate so my niece can get. She's here today, so she can get a plate. Okay, guys. Guys, this is what we used to eat at school when we were going to school in Chambersburg. Bulgur and stewed chicken back. It was not stewed chicken at that time. It was stewed chicken back at that time. I'm gonna add 2 pieces of plantain. My stewed chicken, alright. A lot of gravy, guys. There's a lot of gravy to eat. We used to use a lot of gravy to eat our bulgurs back then. Sometimes you just use the gravy to eat. Guys, this is my finished product of my stewed chicken with bulgur. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And tell me where you're watching from so I could give you a shout out in our next video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video.